Hi dear students, good morning and welcome to the new episode of English class. In the previous class we discussed about the first half of our second lesson, that is All Things Round and Beautiful. The title of our second lesson is All Things Round and Beautiful. In this chapter the four children are there and their names are Meena, Reena, Joe and Sarah, and Uncle Raj is also there. Who is the owner of the sweet shop? Uncle Raj is the owner of the sweet shop, and he is also in this story. He is a character, the central character. And what is the speciality of Uncle Raj? The speciality of Uncle Raj is that he is a fat man. What kind of a man is he? He is a fat man. He is a fat man and he is having a big stomach. He is having a big stomach and he is in the habit of laughing. All the time he is laughing, and when he laughs, what will happen? When he laughs, his big stomach is shivering. His big stomach is shaking. And on seeing the stomach shaking, what did the children do? The children laughed at him, giggled at him, giggled. G-I-G-G-L-E-D. G-I-G-G-L-E-D. Giggled means laughed in a particular way. Laughed in a particular way, that is giggled. G-I-G-G-L-E-D. Giggled means laughing in a particular way. A kind of laughing, giggling. Okay. Then I read the first portion once again. You please send your text. Take page number 16. All of you take page number 16. Meena, Reena, Joe and Sarah were friends. Together they went to school. As the school was not very far off, they walked to their school. On the way, they passed the sweet shop of Uncle Raj. Raj uncle was very fat. He had a big stomach. What is the specialty of Raj uncle? Raj uncle is a very fat man. What kind of a man is Raj uncle? Raj uncle is a very fat man and he had a big stomach. He had a very big stomach. That is the specialty of Raj uncle. Who were the four friends? Can you name the friends? Can you say the names of their friends? Meena, Reena, Joe and Sarah were the four friends. Meena, Reena, Joe and Sarah were the four friends, and they go to the school together. They go to the school together. And the school was not very far off from their house, so they are walking to their school. And on their way, they passed a sweet shop. There was a sweet shop on their way. What's the meaning of a sweet shop? A place or a shop where sweets and toffees are sold. A shop where sweets and toffees are sold is called a sweet shop. S-W-E-E-T. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. S-H-O-P, shop. What is a sweet shop? A shop where sweets and toffees are sold. That is called a sweet shop. And who is the owner of the sweet shop? Do you know the name of the owner of the sweet shop? Raj uncle was the owner of the sweet shop. Raj uncle was the owner of the sweet shop, and he is a very good man. What kind of a man is Raj uncle? Raj uncle is a fat man. Raj uncle is a fat man, and he has a large stomach, a big stomach, and he is in the habit of laughing all the time. And when he laughed, his big stomach began to shake. When he laughs, his big stomach began to shake. On seeing the shaking of the stomach, the children giggled at him. G-I-G-G-L-E-D, giggled. And the second paragraph, if you look at the second paragraph, Raj uncle was a friend of their parents. Who was the friend of the parents of these children? Raj uncle was a friend of their parents. He was very nice. He was a very nice man. He always laughed and joked. He is in the habit of laughing and joking all the time. And when he laughed, what will happen? When he laughed, his big stomach would shake. When he laughed, his big stomach will shake. The children giggled when they saw this. The children giggled when they saw the shaking of the stomach of Raj uncle. Then one day, Uncle Raj invited them to his shop. One day, on their way to school, Raj uncle invited their 4 children to his sweet shop, and he made them sit and offered them some sweets. He made them sit in the chairs in the sweet shop, and he offered. Offered means promised to give. Offered, O-F-F-E-R-E-D, offered, O-F-F-E-R-E-D. Offered means promised to give. O-F-F-E-R-E-D. Offered means promised to give or assured to give. Rajangal, one day Rajangal called these children to his sweet shop, and he made them sit in the sweet shop, and he offered them some sweet. He promised to give them some sweets. Children, my round stomachs make you laugh. Today I want to kiss you about some other round things. What did the owner of the sweet shop, that is Rajangal, told them? Rajangal told them that, children, you are laughing at me. I know very well that you are laughing because you see my stomach is shaking, or my stomach is shivering when I laugh. You are seeing, you are laughing on seeing this, and I know very well that. And I am kissing you. Kissing you means asking some questions and getting some answers. I am kissing you. I want to kiss you about some round things in the surroundings. I want to know how much round things you know in your surroundings. The children giggled when they saw this. One day, Uncle Raj invited them to his shop. He made them sit and offered them sweets. Children, my round stomach makes you laugh. Today, I want to kiss you about some more round things. Are you ready? You shall get sweets if you can answer. I ask you some questions about round objects. If you are answering correctly, if you give correct answers, I will give you some sweets. If you give the correct answers, I will give you some sweets. Okay, there we stopped in the last class. Today we are moving on to the next paragraph. You listen. Yes, uncle, they shouted in chorus. Yes, uncle, we are ready to give you the answer. They shouted in chorus. Chorus, C-H-O-R-U-S, chorus. What is the meaning of chorus? C-H-O-R-U-S, chorus means they said together. They said together. That is chorus. They said, all of them said together. That is, they said in chorus. Shouted, S-H-O-U-T-E-D. Next word is shouted, S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted, S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted. Yes, uncle, they shouted in chorus. You should tell me as many round things as you know, and I shall tell you some more. The question is that you should tell the names of some round objects, as many things as possible. How many round things you know? You say the names of the round things you know. As many things as possible. That means you can say any number of things. You can say the names of more and more things if you know. You say the round objects. You say what are the say the names of round objects you know. Okay. Then you should tell me as many round things as you know, and I shall tell you some more. Rasgulla. Which are the things they say? Rasgulla. R-A-S-G-U-L-L-A. Rasgulla. R-A-S-G-U-L-L-A. Rasgulla. The next one, gulab jamuns. Gulab jamuns. G-U-L-A. G-U-L-A-B, gulab jamuns, J-A-M-U-N-S, rasgulla, then gulab jamuns and ladoos. You study the spelling of all these things, L-A-D-D-O-O-S, ladoos, L-A-D-D, here U-S, not O-O-U-S, L-A-D-D-U-S, ladoos, then rasgulla, gulab jamuns and ladoos that my granny makes, said Meena. Meena is a child and she said for the first time. At first she said the names of round objects she know. Which are the names of the round objects Meena said? Meena said that rasgulla. Say the spelling with me. R-A-S-G-U-L-L-A. Rasgulla. It's a round object. And next one is gulab jamuns. G-U-L-A-B, gulab, G-U-L-A-B, gulab, J-A-M-U-N-S, gulab jamuns, which is the second one, gulab jamun. Then next object is laddu, L-A-D-D-U-S, laddus. Which are the names of things said by Meena? Meena said round objects like rasgulla, gulab jamuns and laddus. Rasgullas, gulab jamuns and laddus. Rasgulla, gulab jamuns and laddus that my granny makes. Who is granny? Grandmother. The short form of granny. So grandmother is granny. G-R-A-N-N-Y, granny. G-R-A-N-N-Y, granny. Rasgulla, gulab jamuns and laddus that my granny makes, said Meena, who had a sweet tooth. Meena had a sweet tooth. Sweet tooth. What is the meaning of sweet tooth? Sweet tooth, love to eat anything that is sweet. Meena is in the habit of eating anything that is sweet. She is eating laddus, gulab jamuns, jalebis, then sweets, caramel, then other peppermint munch, like that, any ice cream, like that, anything that is sweet, she loves to eat. She loves to eat anything that is sweet. Rasgulla, gulab jamuns and laddus that my granny makes, said Meena, who had a sweet tooth. Which child had a sweet tooth in this story? Meena had a sweet tooth. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. T-O-O-T, sweet tooth. What is the meaning of sweet tooth? A child or a person who loves to eat anything that is sweet is called a sweet tooth. S-W-E-E-T, T-O-O-T-H. They all smiled. On hearing the words of Meena, all the other children and Uncle Raj laughed. Smiled. S-M-I-L-E-D, smiled. They laughed on hearing the words of Meena. Okay, I read today's portion once again. You please listen. You should tell me, ask me the round things as you know, and I shall tell you some more. Rasgulla, gulab jamuns and laddus that my granny makes. Meena liked the sweets made by her granny. Who is granny? Grandmother. The short form of grandmother is granny. Granny makes, said Meena, who had a sweet tooth. Which child had a sweet tooth? Meena had a sweet tooth. They all smiled on hearing the words of Meena. Okay, you look at the board. Which are the top words from this paragraph? You please listen. Giggled. G-I-G-G-L-E-D. Giggled. Listen to the spelling and the pronunciation of the word. Giggled. G-I-G-G-L-E-D. Giggled. The next word is sweet shop. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. S-H-O-P. Shop. Sweet shop. The next one is offered. O-F-F-E-R-E-D. Offered. O-F-F-E-R-E-D. Offered. The next one chorus. C-H-O-R-U-S. Chorus. C-H-O-R-U-S. Chorus. Next word shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D. Shouted. That means say loudly. Say loudly. S-H-O-U-T-E-D. Shouted. Next word rasgulla. It is the name of a round object. R-A-S-G-U-L-L-A. Listen to the spelling. R-A-S-G-U-L-L-A. Rasgulla. Next one is gulab jamuns. G-U-L-A-B-J-A-M-U-N-S. Gulab jamuns. Next one laddus. L-A-D-D-U-S. Laddus. L-A-D-D-U-S. Laddus. Next one is granny. G-R-A-N-N-Y. Granny. G-R-A-N-N-Y. Granny. Next one, sweet tooth. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. T-O-O-T-S. Tooth. Sweet tooth. Next, last word is smiled. S-M-I-L-E-D. Once again, giggled, sweet shop, offered, chorus, shouted, rasgulla, gulab jamuns, laddus, granny, sweet tooth and smiled. Okay, may I rub these words? Rasgulla, gulab jamuns and laddus that my granny makes, said Meena, who had a sweet tooth. They all smiled. Next paragraph, you please listen. Uncle, I love watermelon, oranges and lemonade made from round lemon, said Joe. What are the things said by Joe? What are the names of round objects said by Joe? I love watermelon. 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 It's a round thing. Watermelon is the name of a round thing. WATER, water. Then melon. MELON. Watermelon. Next one is orange. 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 The next one, lemonade made from round lemon. Lemonade. LEMONADE. Lemonade is not round, but the lemonade made by round lemon. LEMON. Lemon means like lemon. Then the names of things, round things said by Joe is, which are the round things said by names of round things said by Joe? Watermelon, oranges, and the lemonade made by round lemon. Lemonade made by round lemon. That are the things said by Joe. Which are the things said by Meena? Meena said that rasgulla, then gulab jamun and laddus made by my granny. I love all these sweet items. And Joe said that, Uncle, I love watermelon, oranges and lemonade made from round lemon, said Joe. The next one. Our teacher told us that the earth, sun and the moon are also round. So are the wheels of a car and a bus, said Reena. Said, what are the things said by Reena? What are the names of things said by Reena? Our teacher told us that the earth, EARTH. What is the shape of the earth? It is not round, it is spherical. But actually we are saying that the globe, the model of the earth is globe. It is round in shape. It is round in shape. Earth, then moon and sun. MOON. Moon and sun are round shaped things. Round shaped ones. They all have a shape of a round. Then earth, moon and sun are round shaped objects. The names of round shaped object. Who said these words? Reena. REENA. These are the things said by Joe. 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 Okay. Uncle, I love watermelon, oranges and lemonade made from round lemon, said Joe. Then our teacher told us that the earth, sun and the moon are also round. So are the wheels of a car and a bus. Which are the other things said by Reena? Wheels. 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 Wheels means tire. Wheels of a car and bus. Wheels of a car and bus are having the round shape. They are having round shape. The wheels, that means the tire is having a round shape. Tires of car and bus are having round shape. The teacher told us that, what is the spelling of teacher? Say the spelling of teacher. TEACHER. We are writing as teacher, but we are pronouncing it as teacher. The last R is not pronounced hardly. It is not pronounced hardly. Teacher. It is teacher. R is not pronounced. Okay. TEACHER. Teacher. Our teacher told us that the earth, sun and the moon are also round. So are the wheels of a car and bus, said Reena. Reena said that the earth, sun and the moon are having round shape, but also the cars, the tire of a car and a bus are having round shape. Okay. Uncle Raj was happy. The children knew many things which were round. On hearing the answers of these children, Uncle Raj became very happy because he quizzed that, can you say the names of some round objects? If you say the answer, I will give you some sweets. On hearing the answers made by the children, Uncle Raj became very happy. He became very happy. I love to play with the hoopla ring. It It is also round. My brother and has many round balls. Some are big and some others are small, said Sarah. I love to play with hoopla ring. Hoopla. Hoopla. Hoopla, hoopla ring. You have seen in the TV shows and other shows that some people are dancing according to the hoopla ring. One ring is there and they put through their head and they use that ring. They dance very well. That is hoopla ring. Here, I love to play with the hoopla ring. It is also round. It is also having a round shape. My brother has many round balls. Hoopla ring, then balls. B-A-L-L-S. These are round objects. Hoopla ring and balls. Some big and some small, said Sarah. Sarah is the fourth one. Sarah. S-A-R-A. Sarah said that I used to play with the hoopla ring, and so hoopla ring is having a round shape, and my brother had so many balls. Balls are B-A-L-L-S. It is not balls, it is balls. Balls, and the balls are having a round shape. Balls are football, cricket ball and tennis ball. All the balls are having round shape. Balls and hoopla ring have a round shape. I love to play with the hoopla ring. It is also round. My brother has many round balls, some big and some small, said Sarah. I always get a 10 by 10, 10 on 10, and said Meena, the 0 is also round. I always get a 10 marks out of 10. In the 10 marks there is a 0, 1 and 0 is there in 10, and the 0 is also having a round shape. 0 is the arrow. 0 is having a round shape. 0. Meena said that 0 is having a round shape. Okay, Meena said that 0 is having round shape. I always get a 10 by 10 out of 10, said Meena. The 0 is also round. Rajangal was very impressed. On hearing the answers made by the 4 children, who became very happy, Rajangal became very happy and he is impressed. He is impressed. I-M-P-R-E-S-S-E-D. Impressed. He became happy with the children. He became happy with the children. He became impressed by the children. Rajangal was very impressed. He treated the children with rasagullas, jalebis and ladoos. He offered them, he will give them some sweets if you give the correct answer. After getting the correct answers, he became very impressed, he became very happy, and he gave them some sweets. Which are the sweets given by Rajangal? Rasagullas, jalebis and ladoos. Rasagullas, R-A-S-G-U-L-L-A-S, rasagullas. Then jalebis, J-A-L-E-B-I-S, jalebis, and ladoos, L-A-D-D-U-S, ladoos. These were the sweets given by Rajangal to the children. Rajangal was very impressed. He treated the children. Treated means give them a treat. Treated, T-R-E-A-T-E-D, treated. Spelling of treated, T-R-E-A-T-E-D. Given something as a token of happiness is treat. Given some food items as a token of happiness, that is treat. Rajangal treated them with some sweets. Rajangal became very impressed. Uncle Raj was very impressed. He treated the children with rasagullas, jalebis and ladoos. They all enjoyed the round kiss. They all enjoyed. The word enjoyed. E-N-J-O-Y-E-D. The children enjoyed the round kiss. Means what is the, why they call this kiss a round kiss? They called this kiss a round kiss because in this kiss the Rajangal asked them questions about round objects and they give answers according to the question. So the children called this kiss a round kiss. They all enjoyed the round kiss. Rajangal was very impressed. He treated the children with the rasagullas, jalebis and ladoos. They all enjoyed the round kiss. Rajangal also gave them a round lollipop. At last, what is the thing given to the children? In in addition to rasagullas, jalebis and laddus, Rajangal gave them round lollipops. Yellow, L-L-I-P-O-P, lollipop. L-O-L-L-I-P-O-P, lollipop. Ask your children, you also like the round things like laddus, jalebis, then rasagullas, then gulab jamuns, balls. Then you know that the earth, sun and moon are also round. 10 out of 10. In that 10 there is a 1 and a 0. 0 is also having a round shape. And the Rajangal also gave them, in addition to laddus, jalebis and rasagullas, Rajangal also treated them with a round lollipop. Lollipop is also having a round shape. On their way back, they started singing Ring-a-ring-a roses. Oh my God, a ring is also round. On their way back to home, what did they do? They started to sing a song. On their way to home, Rajangal was very impressed. He treated the children with rasagullas, jalebis and laddus. They all enjoyed the round quiz. They all enjoyed the quiz conducted by Rajangal. Rajangal also gave them a round lollipop. At last, at first, Rajangal gave them laddus, jalebis and rasagullas. At last, when they are going home or when they began to go from there, he gave them a round lollipop. He gave each of them a round lollipop. On their way back to home, what did they do? They started singing Ring-a-Rosa, Ring-a-Ring-a Rosa. That is a nursery rhyme. Ring-a-Ring-a Rosa. And they started to sing this song. At that time, they remember that ring-a-ring. A ring is also having a round shape. A ring is also having a round shape. Oh my God, a ring is also round. At that time, they remembered that, oh my God, a ring is also a round thing. I'll read from the very beginning. You please listen. Meena, Reena, Joe and Sana were friends. Together they went to school. Our school was not very far off. They walked to their school. On the way, they passed the sweet shop of Uncle Raj. Rajangal was very fat. He had a big stomach. Rajangal was a friend of their parents. He was very nice. He always laughed and joked. When he laughed, his big stomach would shake. The children giggled when they saw this. One day, Uncle Raj invited them to his shop. He made them sit and offered them sweets. Children, my round stomach makes you laugh. Today I want to kiss you about some more round things. Are you ready? You shall get sweets if you can answer. Yes, uncle, they shouted in chorus. You should tell me as many round things as you know, and I shall tell you some more. Rasgulla, gulab jamuns and laddus that my granny makes, said Meena, who had a sweet tooth. They all smiled. Uncle, I know watermelon, oranges and lemonade made from round lemon, said Joe. Our teacher told us that the earth, sun and moon are also round. So are the wheels of a car and a bus, said Reena. Uncle Raj was happy. The children knew many things which were round. I love to play with the hoopla ring. It is also round. My brother has many round balls, some big and some small, said Sarah. I always get 10 by 10, said Meena. The 0 is also round. Rajangal was very impressed. He treated the children with the rasagullas, jalebis and laddus. They all enjoyed the round quiz. Rajangal also gave them a round lollipop. On their way back, they started singing Ring-a-Ring-a Roses, Ring-a-Ring-a Roses. Oh my God, the ring is also round. This is the end of this lesson, and the most important thing is you have to read the text so many times. Now, let us have a look at some question and answers from this topic. Yes, let us have a look at some question and answers from this topic. Whenever you study a lesson or only a paragraph, you should make as many questions as possible. Then it is very easy for you to find out the comprehension passages. At least when you study if you study only one paragraph, at least you make 2 question and answers, simple questions and answers from that topic. That will help you to read the comprehension passages. Okay, can you say a question from the first paragraph? Look at the first paragraph. I will read the first paragraph once again. You please listen to the text, page number 16. All of you please take your text and listen. Meena, Reena, Joe and Sarah were friends. Together they went to school. Our school was not very far off. They walked to their school. On the way, they passed the sweet shop of Uncle Raj. Raj uncle was very fat. He had a big stomach. Which is the first question? Can you make a simple question from the first paragraph? The first question is, who were the 4 friends? Who were the 4 friends? That is the first question. Who were the 4 friends? F-O-U-R 4 F-R-I-E-N-D-S friends. Who were the 4 friends? F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Can you say the answer? Can you find the answer of the first question? Who were the 4 friends? Say the answer loudly. Meena, M-E-E-N-A, Meena. Then Reena, R-E-E-N-A, Reena. Then Joe, J-O-E, Joe. And Sarah, S-A-R-A, Sarah. Were the 4 friends. Were the 4 friends. Were the F-O-U-R 4 friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. It's a simple question and its answer. Listen to the question. First question. Who were the 4 friends? Can you name the 4 friends? Who were the 4 friends? Meena, Reena, Joe and Sarah were the 4 friends. Meena, Reena, Joe and Sarah were the 4 friends. Okay. Next question, what did the children find funny? Second question, what did W-H-A-T, what did the children, spelling C-H-I-L-T-R-E-N, children. The singular form of children is child, the plural form is children. What did the children find funny? F-I-N-D, find, F-U-N-N-Y, funny. What did the children find funny? That is a question. What did the children find funny? Can you say the answer? While laughing, Uncle George's big stomach is shaking. On seeing this, the children laughed. Okay. Uncle George, U-N-C-L-E, Uncle George had a H-A-D, had a big stomach. Big stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H. You study the spelling at the same time when you write these answers. Uncle George had a big stomach. That is the first sentence. Uncle George had a big stomach. While laughing, W-H-I-L-E, while laughing, L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G, while laughing, his stomach, while laughing, his stomach began to shake. S-H-A-K-E, shake. His stomach began to shake. On seeing this, on seeing this, or the children find it funny. The children find it funny. The children laughed. Okay, you please listen to the question and answer. What did the children find funny? What did the children find funny? Answer. Uncle Raj had a big stomach. While laughing, his stomach began to shake. The children found it funny and they laughed. The children found it funny and they laughed. Okay, is it okay? Do you know how to read this question and answer? What did the children find funny? The answer is Uncle Raj had a big stomach. While laughing, his stomach began to shake. The children found it funny and they laughed. Okay. Then, which is the other question? When would Uncle Raj give them sweets? Third one. When would W-H-E-N. When W-O-U-L-D. Would Uncle Raj U-N-C-L-E. Uncle Raj. When would Uncle Raj give them sweets? Give them sweets. S-W-E-E-T-S. When would Uncle Raj give them sweets? Uncle Raj became very happy. Uncle Raj was impressed. I-M-P-R-E-S-S-E-D. Uncle Raj was impressed. I-M-P-R-E-S-S-E-D. Impressed on hearing the answers. On hearing. H-E-A-R-I-N-G. On hearing the answers. A-N-S-W-E-R-S. On hearing the answers, and he gave the children, and he gave the children rasgullas. R-A-S-G-U-L-L-A-S. Rasgullas, jalebis. Gave them rasgullas, jalebis, J-A-L-E-B-I-S. Jalebis and ladus. L-A-D-D-U-S. Ladus. Okay. This is the answer of the third question. When would Uncle Raj gave them sweets? When would Uncle Raj gave them sweets? Do he gave them sweets before they gave the answer? No. Only after hearing the answers, he became very impressed and then he gave them some sweets. Uncle Raj was impressed on hearing the answers. Uncle Raj was impressed. Say with me. Say the answer with me. Uncle Raj was impressed on hearing the answers and then he gave the children rasgullas, ladus and jalebis. On hearing the answers, Uncle Raj became impressed and then he gave them ladus, jalebis and rasgullas. Okay. Once again, Uncle Raj was impressed on hearing the answers and he gave the children ladus, jalebis and rasgullas. Name the round things mentioned by Meena. Which are the round things mentioned by Meena? Which are the round things mentioned by Meena? Say the answer. Can you find the answer? Which are the round things mentioned by Meena? Rasgullas, gulab jamun ladoos and 0. Rasgullas, RASGULLAS, rasgullas. Then gulab jamuns, GULABJAMUNS, rasgullas, gulab jamuns. Then next one, ladoos, LADDUS, ladoos, and 0 is the DRO, 0. At the last part of this lesson, she said that I got 10 out of 10. In that 10 there is a 1 and a 0, and that 0 is also round shaped. Meena said the things like rasgullas, gulab jamuns, ladoos, and at last she said that 0 is also having a round shape. 0 is also having a round shape. Then which is the other name? Zara, SARA. Which are the things said by Zara? SARA, Zara. Which are the things, names of things, round things said by Zara? Hoopla ring and balls. Hoopla ring and balls. HOOPLA, hoopla ring and balls. Hoopla ring and balls. BALLS. It is not balls, it is balls. BALLS, balls. Hoopla ring and balls. Then what is the next name? Joe. 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 The third name, Joe. What are the things said by Joe? Watermelon, oranges, and lemon. Watermelon, WATER, watermelon, MELON, watermelon. Then oranges, 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 and lemon, LEMON. Watermelon, oranges, and lemon are having round shape. Watermelon, oranges, and lemon are having round shape. Who is the other one? Reena. Which are the things said by Reena? Earth, sun, and moon are also round. Reena, REENA. Reena said that Earth, 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 then sun and moon are having round shape. Earth, sun, and moon are having round shape. Earth, sun, and moon are having round shape. Listen, which are the round things said by each student, each child? Meena said that rasgullas, gulab jamuns, ladoos, and 0 are having round shape. Rasgullas, ladoos, gulab jamuns, and 0 are having round shape. Zara said that hoopla ring and balls have a round shape. Hoopla ring and balls are having round shape. Then Joe said that watermelons, oranges, and lemon are also having a round shape. Which are the things said by Joe? Watermelons, oranges, and lemon are having round shape. Reena said that teacher told that Earth, sun, and moon are having the round shape. Earth, sun, and moon are having the round shape. Okay, what are the things we studied in this class? I will say the summary once again. 4 children are mentioned in this chapter. The names of the 4 children are Reena, Meena, Joe, and Zara. They were going to school together, and their school is not far away from their house, so they are walking to their school. On their way to school, they passed a sweet shop, and the shop was owned by Uncle Raj. What kind of a man is Uncle Raj? Uncle Raj is a fat man, and he had a big stomach. When he is always in the habit of joking and laughing, and when he laughed, his stomach began to shake. On seeing this funny situation, the children will laugh. Uncle Raj is the friend of their parents, and one day on their way to school, Uncle Raj invited them to his shop, and he made them sit in the chairs, and then he asked them, offered them some sweet if they can answer the questions put forward by Uncle Raj. The question is that, can you name, are you ready? Uncle Raj asked them. Yes, the children said in chorus that we are ready, Uncle. And then he asked them to say the names of some round objects and that they had seen. At first Meena said that Rasgullas, gulab jamuns and ladus are having round shape, and later she said that zero is also having a round shape. Then Sarah said that hoopla and balls are having round shape. Then Joe said that watermelons, oranges and lemons are having round shape. Then Reena said that their teacher taught them that earth, sun and the moons are also having round shape. On hearing the answers made by the children, Uncle Raj became very impressed and he offered them some sweets. He gave them rasagullas, ladus and jalebis, and when they began to return to their home, he also gave them some round lollipop. Okay, the children enjoyed the day and they also enjoyed the round quiz. They became very happy. On their way back to home, they sing Ring a Roses, and then they remembered that in that rhyme there was the mentioning of ring. Ring is also having a round shape. Ring is also having a round shape. This is the end of this chapter, and the most important thing is you should read the text so many times as possible, and you take the audio of your reading and send it to me in the WhatsApp. Let us have a look at the vocabulary ladder also. Sweet shop. First one. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. S-H-O-P. Shop. What is the meaning of sweet shop? Means a shop where sweets or mithais is sold. A shop where W-H-E-R. It is not where, it is where. Sweets or S-W-E-E-T. Sweets. Or mithai, M-I-T-H-A-I, mithai, M-I-T-H-A-I, mithai is sold, S-O-L-D, a shop where sweets or mithai is sold, a sweet shop. What is the sweet shop? A shop in which sweets or mithai is sold. Then giggle, laugh in a nervous or silly way. Giggle, G-I G-G-L-E, giggle. Laugh in a nervous or silly way. Laugh, L-A-U-G-H, laugh in a nervous, N-E-R-V-O-U-S, nervous, N-E-R-V-O-U-S, nervous or silly way. Laugh in a nervous or silly way. Laugh in a nervous or silly way, that is giggle. Then sweet tooth. Next word is sweet tooth. It is the new words you got in this text. In this lesson, sweet tooth. T-O-O-T-H. What is the meaning of sweet tooth? What is the meaning of sweet tooth? Love to eat anything that is sweet. Love to eat. L-O-V-E. Love to eat anything that is sweet. Okay, listen here. Which are the new words and their meanings? Sweet shop. Sweet shop means a shop where sweets or mithai is sold. Sweet shop is the name given to a shop where sweets and mithais are sold. Sweet shop is the name given to a place or a shop where sweets and mithais are sold. The next one, giggle, G-I-G-G-L-E, giggle. nervous or silly way, that is giggle. They giggled on hearing the stomach of the shopkeeper. Giggle means laugh in a nervous or silly way. Next one, sweet tooth. Love to eat anything that is sweet. Love to eat anything that is sweet. Love to eat anything that is sweet. Okay, these are the things we studied in this class, the last part of the lesson. Then sentence making, their meanings, and the next one is question answers. Okay, you study all the question answers, the notes came to you, and you write down the notes in your notebook very neatly. Then write down each question answers 4 times, at least 4 times at the back of your notebook, and take a photograph of that and send it to me in the WhatsApp. You are writing the copies. In addition to that, you write down these question answers 3 times or 4 times at the back of your notebook. Okay, wish you all the best and see you in the next class. Thank you.